How do I leak?
If you feel hot, please drink this.
What's that?
It's iced tea.
Let's try that.
First, right?
Right.
So, hello guys. We're from group 9. My name is Ananda Muhammad.
My name is ananda irfana zahrah.
My name is depit ardiansyah.
And my name is Ramadhansyah, hermawan.
We want to show you how to use the glue gun. The first material that we need is the glue gun and the glue stick. The first step to do it is, to use it is, you have to check and recheck and clean the glue gun from the old glue that's clogging in the nozzle. After you show that it's clean, insert the glue stick into the glue gun.
Third, insert the block into the electricity socket, and next prepare a sheet of paper and put the glue gun on it.
And wait until the glue gun gets warmer, and be careful about its temperature because it's quite hot. Then squeeze the trigger gently to check if the glue stick has changed into the liquid form, and do it carefully because it will drip.
And finally, it can be uplift from any surface that you want. And that's all from us. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to drink iced tea.